Hi everyone, welcome to eLearning Trainer channel. In last session we have discussed about Microsoft Teams free version. In this session we are going to discuss about Microsoft Teams paid and premium version. To use Microsoft Teams, you need a Microsoft 365 account with the appropriate Microsoft 365 license plan. As a quick summary, the difference between the free and paid versions of Microsoft Teams comes down to a couple of things. Paid version list includes the maximum members, file storage sizes, extra features in recording meetings as well as phone calls, and you can find out lots of extra administrative options with a paid version too. To explore all the paid version features, we're going to take start with an official email ID. Open Microsoft Teams 365 website, and here is the platform to take a start. Click on sign in. And it will ask you for the official ID and password. Enter the password. Click on sign in. You will receive one security code on your mobile that has been linked with your official ID. To make the authentication, enter the code and click on verify. And here you go. On this page, it will ask you to download the app. Once you click on download app, you will receive two options: download for desktop, download for mobile. Once you're done by downloading the application, you can continue by sign in. Enter your official email in Microsoft Teams application and click on sign in. Enter your password and click on sign in. You will receive authentication message on your mobile. Just add that message in this code and click on verify. Here is the Microsoft Teams platform, and in this dashboard you can perform all the operations. On left side you can see a list of options, and by clicking on that you can find out what options we can use it. Activity, chat, Teams, everything you can find it here. We will continue by Teams, and if you can find out on right top corner there is an option join or create a team. If you have the ID, you can join the team or class or meeting by using this code. Otherwise, you can create a team for yourself. We will continue by creating a new team. There are different options. You can find out what is the purpose to create this team. You wanted to organize the class, your professional learning community, or staff, or other things. I'm gonna create the class. And here is a name. Mention the name and description. Description is optional, but it's good practice if you go with the description, so it will help you to recognize what you're gonna do. On the top you can see there is a description for this class, that teacher is the owner of this class or team, and students or participants can participate as a member. So all the control, all the administration belongs to the teacher. So teacher can conduct assignment, quizzes, and record students' feedback. Whatever students will perform the operations, all will be monitored by the teachers. Click on next. So in this step, you can add your students by the email address. You just need to type the email and you can find out their email here and you can click on add. So do it one by one and add all the students in your list. And if you have a co-teacher and there is another teacher you want to bring for your help, you can invite him as well. It's up to you. Once you're done, click on close, and that's all. On left side you can find out eLearn, it's a team, and on the bottom you can find out general, it's a channel. Channel is a subsection for the team and you can create multiple channels. I can give you the example for this. For example, there is one organization and it can have the department, different departments like HR department, IT department, e-learning department. So you can segregate all the departments by creating the channel in one team. On right side, here is your play area. You can find out the chat option and you can do a lot of operations inside the chat, like you can type a chat and then you can perform all kind of formatting in this section. A long list of formatting, you can do it. I'm gonna give you some example. For example, this is my first class and what can I perform? I can do bold, italic, underline, paragraphing, everything we can do it, whatever we are doing in the Microsoft Word or any other document. This option is very good. You can give the hyperlink as well. If you wanted to share some kind of specific internet link with your students, you can do it. And in this section you can find out different options and you can perform all these operations. You can make them in the sections or mark as an important, or you can create a table, do, undo, repeat. All the operations you can perform over here. And once you click on send, it will be sent to the students and everybody can see this message and they can reply as well. The next one is attach the files. This is another good option and there are three options they given to you, that browse teams and channels and from OneDrive, or you can upload from your local computer as well. Emojis and many other options on the bottom, you can explore all of them. Here is the most important option, that is Meet Now. Meet Now means you are going to organize the live session now and give the subject name, what is the purpose of this session, and on the bottom you can find out the camera. By default it's on and you can make it on and off. You can switch, it's up to you, you wanted to keep it or not, and click on Meet Now. Now I'm inside the class and you can find out on right side there are people. You can invite your students in live session as well, or a list of all the students and teachers you can find out in this way. Here is a link. You can copy this link and you can send to the WhatsApp or email or wherever you want the people to join your session. And once you're done, you can find out on the bottom there are different options. You can use the camera, mic, and you can share the documents with your students and PowerPoint slides as well. And on right side you can find out whiteboard. Click on that one. This is another powerful tool. Here is all the options. It will ask you want to collaborate a whiteboard with everyone. Everyone can make, edit, or they can do, or you want to present by yourself and only you can edit. So a teacher can manage all these things. I have been selected the private, so I can make editing only. Students are not allowed. I can create diagrams and anything I want to do, and I can delete them as well. So you can make adjustment. and you can share with the students as well, and stop presenting. Once you're done, you will be returned back on normal options. In this list you can find out, you can turn off incoming videos, like the videos from the students or your video. You can do it by yourself. You can end the meeting, and many more options in the list. You can perform it, just do it, explore it, and you can find out very interesting options in this one. Here is one option, start recording. It's depends upon the policy of your organizations. For example, if they allow you, you can record your sessions. Like I do not have the option start recording, so I cannot do it. Meeting notes and show device settings. If you click on that one, you can have all the device settings in a right section, so you can perform by yourself. It is a raise hands. If someone want to click on that one, you can find out. If someone want to ask the questions, so they can do it like this way. And here is a meeting chat. You can monitor all of them, and you can share the files with the participants by using this meeting option. Show participants mean you can find out a list of participants. Hope you understand all these options. And once you're done, you can hang up, and you will return back on your dashboard. Thanks for watching.